high quality profitability, high quantity profitability. A great company. And what happens if you invest in great companies? You can generate more than 20% compounded return over a long period of time. Worst companies. Now what happens if you invest in these worst companies? You will lose your pant and shirt in the stock market. Hello my dear friends, welcome back. Guys, so far in the stock market success blueprint, we have covered step 1 and step 2. What is step 1? In step 1, we look for companies with strong financial health. And in step 2, we look for high growth, stable companies. And in this episode, let's try to understand step 3, that is profitability. And to analyze the profitability of a company, there are too many ratios. Like we can use return on capital employed, return on assets, return on invested capital, net profit margins, operating profit margins, profit PBT margins. There are so many ratios. We can consider it as, too many ratios. There are too many ratios to analyze the profitability of a company. But I am not going to cover all these ratios in stock market success blueprint because like I have already mentioned, I'm planning a separate course for all these metrics and for all these ratios known as investing ratios mastery. So there in that course, I will cover all these ratios in detail. But in today's episode, let's try to understand the two top metrics, two key metrics to analyze the profitability of a company. And obviously we look for companies with that generate, high profitability, right? And there are two aspects to high profitability. You have to understand this. So listen to me carefully. There are two aspects to high profitability. One is high quality profitability and the other is high quantity profitability. High quality and high quantity as well. So we analyze the quality of profitability by using a ratio called return on equity. Return on equity is a metric that we use to analyze the quality of a profitability, and if return on equity is higher than 15%, then we can consider that this company is generating high quality profitability. And have to analyze the quantity of profitability. For that we use a metric called free cash flow to sales, and it should be greater than 5%. So to put it simply, look for companies that generate a return on equity of above 15% and free cash flow to sales of that is higher than 5%. If you find such company, then we can consider that company as a great company. And what happens if you invest in great companies? You can generate more than 20% compounded return over a long period of time. And what if the return on equity is less than 15%? Return on equity is less than 15% and free cash flow to sales is also, less than 5%. Now we call these companies as, worst companies. Now what happens if you invest in these worst companies? You will lose your pant and shirt in the stock market. So avoid these worst companies. But the thing is, I gave you a very big promise, that is 20% compounded return. So I think I should show you the proofs, right? So in my next video, you will learn how to generate 20% compounded return in the stock market. Basically in my next episode, I'll show you some proofs as well. So the concept is the same, but I'll show you some proofs as well. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. And in case if you are new here, then please consider to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon as well. And guys, if you think my videos are really helping you, then consider liking the video as well. So thank you so much guys for your support. This is Vishnu Deekonda signing off.